Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swati Gupta and today I am going to explain the key principles investors should remember before investing in the market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to earn money and highly rewarding. But we should have proper knowledge and it requires discipline and careful planning. We should keep in mind essential steps and principles before investing. First of all, we will discuss about the preparation steps. First, understand your financial situation. You should make sure that you should have extra money for investment after covering your daily expenses. Apart from daily expenses, you should have enough money for emergencies such as sudden medical expenses. At least minimum 6 months of your living expenses should be with you. So, you don't have to sell your investment during tough times. Before investing, you should also decide why you want to invest. Is it for your retirement or buying a house or saving for the future? You should also decide how long you can keep the money invested. Second, educate yourself. You should learn the basics of the stock market, such as how it operates, its financial metrics like the P ratio, dividends, and market capitalization. You should know the different type of investment like stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds. Third, create a strategy. Think about how much risk you can afford. For example, younger investors can take more risk while older investors might prefer safer options. That's why set clear goals that aligns with your objectives and risk capacity and stick to them. Even if the market goes up and down in the short term, it should not impact you. Fourth, choose a reliable broker. You should research about the good brokers who charges less and provides trading platform with strong research tools. You should ensure the broker is reputable and regulated. You will need to open a Demat account to hold your shares electronically. Fifth, start small and diversify. Don't put all your money in one place. Start with a small amount of money and invest in different industries like technology, pharma, or real estate. Diversify your portfolio to reduce the risk of losing money so that if one investment doesn't perform well, it can balance with the other investments. Now, let's discuss about the key principles you should remember. First, think long term. Stock market can be volatile in the short term and can show ups and downs in the market, but generally it trends upwards over the long term. That's why it requires patience to get the benefits of the long term growth. Second, diversification. Spread your money across different industries and types of investments. For example, if IT sector doesn't perform well, your real estate or pharma investment or other sector can still do well. Third, do your homework. Before you invest in a company, learn about it. Check its financial health, profits, and its future plans. Avoid investing in something just because everyone is doing it or your friend has done it. Research companies thoroughly before investing. Fourth, avoid emotional decisions. Don't make decisions out of fear or excitement. If the market drops, don't panic and sell the shares. Similarly, don't rush to buy when prices are rising rapidly. Fifth, monitor your portfolio. Check your portfolio, the collection of your investments, occasionally to see if it matches with your goals. Make adjustments if it is necessary. Rebalance your portfolio. If one or two stocks from your portfolio are not performing well, then sell them and switch with the better performing stocks. Sixth, understand fees and taxes. You must know how much you are paying in brokerage fees and other charges. How much taxes are there on your profit or capital gains. It can also reduce your returns. So plan accordingly. 7. Continuous learning. You should stay updated on market news, trends, and changes in the economy. The more you will learn, the better decision you can make and able to gain more profit. 8. Don't time the market. Many people try to buy when prices are low and sell when prices are high. But predicting the right time is almost impossible. Even for experts, it's not possible. That's why we should focus on time in the market rather than timing the market. Staying invested for the long term generally gives better results than attempting to outsmart short term market movements. Markets are influenced by unpredictable factors like economic data, political events, and investor sentiments. So, if you miss a few of the best performing days, it can significantly reduce your returns. For example, if you have invested in the quality stocks during a market downturn and hold them tightly, you can get benefits from their eventual recovery. On the other hand, frequent buying and selling can result in missed opportunities and higher costs. We can say that investing is a journey, it's not a race. So start with a small, learn continuously, and focus on your goals. With a disciplined approach and patience, you can able to make wealth steadily over time. Last but not the least, always remember it's okay to make mistakes. Just learn from them and keep improving. Thank you.